Hey, Bob Graham here. I am so excited that you chose to join this workshop series. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait to get started. This is a passion project for me, helping entrepreneurs, business leaders, and owners figure out their own unique pathway towards success. I've worked with hundreds of people on their business plans, on building a business, and I got to tell you, every time I get the opportunity to share what I've discovered and to share what I've learned from other people and also to learn from other people, I get excited. It's one of the ways we can build a business to be successful. I've got a couple of pieces of homework for you, though, before you get started on our February 18th workshop. First, I want you to take a couple minutes and write down what it is you think you're trying to sell. Now, if you have an established business, that's probably easier. If you're thinking about starting a business, write down what you think you might want to sell and be as specific as possible. I mean, I want to know if it's a product, if it's a cell phone. I want to know the size. I want to know the color. I want to know everything you can think of about it. Trust me, this will be a really valuable exercise for you. The second thing I want you to do is share with two people, just two people, exactly what you're trying to build, what you want that business to be, what you're trying to do, and listen to how they respond. It's really important to listen to what they say to you. We're going to use that information really early in the process to help build a better marketing message. That's all. I look forward to seeing you February 18th. Have a great day.